That's perfect. Perfect little ride.
Careful on it's all ice.
I'll let Autumn on too. Autumn, you want to get on the sled?
Okay,
Let her be in the middle.
okay.
See if she can.
I want to be in the middle. He can be in the middle.
All right, Autumn, sit down. You want to go for a ride on the sled?
Okay.
Go sit down.
Come on, Autumn.
Go, Autumn.
Go. I can push.
No, they want you to ride with them.
Can push them.
Go. They don't need to push.
No, we don't need to push.
The
Get in
ice.
front.
The ice pushes it.
Okay, let's go.
Autumn, you didn't get in. Uh-oh, someone's gonna wipe out. Ah!